The Union Public Service Commission has declared the NDA 1 result 2021 on June 30th. The NDA result has been declared on the UPSC official website upsc.gov.in. Applicants who have appeared for the NDA 2021 exam can check the NDA result by visiting the UPSC website. Careers 360 brings to you the steps to download the NDA result 2021. Candidates can check the result by following these simple steps. First, visit the UPSC official website upsc.gov.in. Click on What's New section on the UPSC homepage. Search for the National Defence Academy and Naval Academy Examination 2021 link and then click on that particular link. A new page will open on the screen. Click on the link given under the Documents heading in the table. The NDA Result 2021 PDF will open in a new tab. Use Ctrl+F to search for your roll number in the PDF file. Candidates can also download the NDA Result 2021 in the PDF form for future reference. The National Defence Academy and Naval Academy examination is conducted by the UPSC twice every year. The NDA selection process has 3 stages: written exam, SSP interview and medical test. Applicants who clear all the 3 phases will be considered qualified for recruitment to the National Defence Academy and Naval Academy courses.